We're going to go through the Elecrow ordering process using the project. What you're going to need to do first is make sure you sign up for an account, obviously. And what we're going to do is walk through how to use the project, and then I'll cover how you're going to use the project files if you want to do a different route, if you just want to submit your own. So let's get into this. Once you log in, you're going to go click on the Projects tab. Then you can go to the search bar and type in Pin2DMD. And then it'll bring up my project. You just click on it, obviously. Now in here, you're simply just going to click Add to Cart. Now, it's set up for quantity of 10. You may want to change that to 5 for your first time around. You got a lot of options there. Now, I know the picture shows green. The PCB color is black in the project. So that's kind of, I don't know why they have the picture the way it does. And that's basically it. You just get a quote. Now you'll notice the total for the PCBs is $38.78. That's going to change slightly throughout the time depending on when you watch this. The PCBs themselves are pretty cheap. It's everything that goes into it. Picking all the components, buying all those components. So that's where the price comes. And then shipping, tariffs, stuff like that. So if you just want the files, the Gerber file is here. Just click it and it will download. The BOM files for all the parts that you need. And then the centroid file is the pick file. It's what tells the machine where to put the components. And so that's basically it. I know that's probably not what you were wanting to see from price perspective and everything, but you've got to get the quote because the parts change, especially when you have to buy different components from different manufacturers. And that's just something Elecrow handles. They will source all those components and then they will tell you, all right, the PCBs, they're going to tell you exactly what those are going to cost before you submit the quote. And then when they source all the product, they'll say this is going to cost this much to source it, it's going to cost this much to manufacture it, and then it's going to cost this much to ship it. And then when you do ship it, DHL, they use DHL, you'll get an additional bill from DHL once it hits our customs for the import taxes, tariffs, whatever the case is. So that's, I know that's probably not exactly what you were thinking it might be, but it's that simple. So build some for yourself, reach out with any questions, and let's push this community even further. Thanks for watching.